Hi, welcome to another tutorial. So for that, this is the watercolor painting effect. To For that effect to work, you have to make sure that the your Photoshop is in English version. For that, you have to go into the interface and check that the UI language is English. Then you have to make sure that if you go into the image and mode, that it is RGB and 8-bit channel, and if those things are okay, then it will work fine. So let's see how you will load the action and how you will work. So if the action panel is not here for you in your Photoshop, then go into the Windows, then click on action. It will show up here. Then you have to go into that three icon and click on load action, then find the action wherever it is in your uh, yeah wherever it is, then select that and just click open. It will open the action. Let's see how it will work. So one thing you guys need to know that it will work only, it will make the image size automatically to 2500 pixel. So let's see. So you can see the effect is already applied just with just one click, and this is how it looks. So you can make some adjustment if it don't fit uh, the color and stuff like that. So you can actually increase or decrease the saturation as you need, and also the hue, and you can adjust the level as well. So after the adjustment, you can just save it. Enjoy.